Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unmute your ringtone on Honor 200 Pro. To do it, go to Settings, and then Sounds and Vibration, and you can see now I'm in silent mode. That means that vibrations and sounds aren't delivered to my device. I can enable vibrations again by pressing vibration. That means that my ringtone is still silenced, but I can hear and feel vibrations, and you can put it in sound mode, and this will unsilence your ringtone as well as enable vibrations. You can also adjust the ringtone volume. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.